Hello friends, good afternoon. Today we'll discuss about one of the case study, that is ITC Limited. Before investing in any stocks, we have to know how the company performing, how it was performed in past years, and we can invest or not. So for that, today I'm practically showing how it will work. Today I took ITC Limited. So how we can analyze this, how we can check the company stock is good or not, we can invest or not. Let us start. Before that, if you have not yet subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel, that is Investment for Life, and please share, subscribe and like, and please hit the bell icon so you'll get the notification the coming videos. So let us start. This is ITC Limited. If you go through itcportal.com, you will get to know their company website, what and all their totally detail you will get. Here I will tell you, this is a market cap 2,57,149 crore, current price 209, high traded 239, low traded 163. Till now, stock PE ratio 18.5, book value 4 rupees 49, dividend yield 5.15, ROC return on capital employed 28.6%, ROE return on equity 21%, and face value 1 rupees. So these are the basic detail about ITC. So I will tell you what is the PE ratio, what is the book value, dividend yield. I will tell you details. This is the basic. Practically I will tell you how it will work. So this is, you can see price of that stock. I just selected 1 year. We will go through the 3 years. It will come like this. You can see the chart, which date, how much rate it is. This is a volume and this is a price. How much volume, what is the price. I have selected 3 years. If you are selecting 1 month, you will get to know. This is today. You can see this. What is the rate? 208.90. So like that you can check. This is the chart. If you want PE ratio, you want to check in chart, you can check with the chart how is the PE ratio. PE 25.6 on 2nd August 2019 EPS it is showing. We took 5 years, we can go with the 3 months, it will show like this. So you can see here, if 1 year, you can click here 1 year, you will get to know. Sales and margin, you can check the sales and margin. What is the sales on which date? 31st December 2016 sales 9 to 4 8.39, GPM 63.49, OPM, gross profit margin, operating profit margin, net profit margin, they are showing here 63.49, 38.35, 28.62. So like this you can check the chart, price, PE ratio and sales and margin. So pros and cons. Cons means disadvantages, pros means advantages. What is the cause? The company delivered poor sales growth of 4.68% over past 5 years. So this is the only cons is there. The company has delivered poor sales growth. One cause is, that is fine, but the company overall we see it is a good pros. We can see here company is almost debt free, there is no debt. Stock is providing a good dividend yield 5.15%, which is good. Company has been maintaining healthy dividend payout ratio. They are maintaining healthy dividend payout 79.34%. So peer comparison, which company you can compare? VST Industries, ITC, VST Industries, Godfrey, Phillips, Golden Tobacco. So you can compare with this ITC. Now quarterly result. What is the quarterly result of ITC? Consolidated figure in crores, will stand alone. Okay, this is they given September 2018 to June 2021. So quarterly result, what we'll get here? Net profit, EPS, earning price in rupees. In 2018 you can see earning per price 2.45, June 2021 2.66. so it is earning per price is increased. So profit and loss statement in crores, amount in crores, 2010 March, you can see here net profit 4,168, 2010 March, and now March 2021, we can see the net profit, that is 13,161. It is completely high. What is the EPS in rupees? 3.64 and 10.69. It is totally good. Dividend payout ratio 92% now with 101%. So if we see the profit and loss account, it is completely good. So March 2010, if we are comparing March 2010 to 21, you can compare 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 till 21. You will get to know this is net profit, what is before tax, what is PBT, what is dividend ratio, what it is 92% in 2010 and 101 in 2021. So compounded sales growth, compounded profit growth, stock price CAGR, return on equity. So 10 years 8%, 5 years 5%, 3 years 4%. So it is in return on equity. You can see a 10 years how much, compounded profit growth, stock price CAGR, return on equity. Return on equity last year 21% they given. That is good actually. 10 years 626%, 5 years 23%, 3 years 23%, last year 21%. Now you have to see the balance sheet of ITC Limited. March 2010 and March 2021, you can compare what is the sale capital, reserve, borrowings, other liabilities, total liabilities, fixed assets, CWIP, investments, other assets. So total asset you will get to know 73,761 in March 2010, 23,817. So obviously it is growth is high. Middle due to COVID might be it is ups and downs, so no need to worry about that. Cash flows you can see here. Net cash flow you can get to know it is minus. Ratios you can check ratios. ROEC, return on capital employed, 29% and March 2010 it is at 44%. Data days 19 before it is 20. Inventory turnover 1.5, 2.16. Now shareholding pattern. FIIs means foreign institutional investors. DIIS means domestic institutional investors. Public, these are foreign, these are domestic and these are public. So June 2021 for FIIs 11.74, DIIS 42.14, 42.14 and public 45.86. It is grown, ups and downs, middle is there, but not an issue. So if you want any documents, you can go recent announcement, what are the announcements, what is LODR, analyst, investor, meet, intimation, compliances, financial year. If you want annual reports, credit ratings, what if you want to check all the details, you can check. They are already given all each and everything. So before investing any big company in big amount, you have to check and you have to decide it is helpful or not. You can invest or not, then only you have to invest. Blindly don't invest, anyone giving tips and all. So you just analyze yourself. If I am also giving any tips, if I am telling this you have to invest, before that you have to go and analyze. I told practically you can analyze like this. Do you have any queries? Please message in the comment box, so I will try to answer it. Do you want other analysis? You want to know what is the technical way? How can we analyze properly? You just message me in the comment box any requirement, any your demanded video, so I will make video on that. Thanks for watching the video. Thanks for your love and support. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.